We're going to demonstrate my garage door left open indicator. I'll show off the state of the garage door here. I've got my garage door opener here, and then this is my little Raspberry Pi with the OLED screen. It's right about there. So the idea of it working is press the button, open the garage door. Once the garage door opens, there's my garage door open icon showing up. It's apparently doing this weird effect on my camera. I'll show you guys how well you guys can see that. It looks better in pictures. Then, now the garage door closes. Okay. Now you can see it's showing our closed garage door icon. And that'll stay on for about I think a minute after it closes.